Hello and welcome to the RYMEC training module. Today I would like to talk to you about concentric slave cylinders, or CSCs for short. Our range covers over 95% of the European vehicle park. All of these are manufactured original equipment OE specification, 100% new, and are either sold individually or as part of a 3-piece clutch kit, assembled in our UK facility. So, what is a CSC? It's a hydraulic cylinder with an integrated release bearing, which enables the clutch to operate smoothly through gear changes. Like a lot of light and heavy commercial components, it's subject to wear. However, the CSC cannot be repaired. It must be replaced. We recommend changing the CSC when replacing the clutch or removing the transmission. One thing to be mindful of, never manually compress the piston, as this will damage the internal seals and can also dislodge the back plate. Care is also needed to ensure that the correct hydraulic fluid is used, as for example using either mineral oil or transmission fluid will cause the internal seals to swell, causing premature failure of the CSC. Our engineers follow an extensive testing procedure to ensure all our CSCs meet the specification and tolerances required to match OE performance and characteristics. Every RYMEC CSC design is put through 1 million actuations, 500,000 cycles at 120 degrees Celsius and a further 500,000 cycles at -30 degrees Celsius. A further 17 different tests are also performed, such as a low and high pressure air leakage test, a pressure holding test and a piston sliding test. We map the OE performance characteristics and ensure the RYMEC performs exactly the same characteristics as the OE. Only after passing all these tests will the RYMEC part go into full production. Finally, during manufacture, all RYMEC CSCs have to pass an air leakage test before being boxed and distributed across the globe. With over 2.5 million CSCs sold individually each year and 2 million in clutch kits, we need to get it right every time. On a final note, don't forget there is a large range of RYMEC CSCs for light commercial vehicles. In fact, several large commercial fleets choose RYMEC for replacement in their fleets as a cost-effective option. Pneumatic CSC. As well as hydraulically operated CSCs, there are a small number that are actually operated by air. These can be found on heavy commercial applications. RYMEC has all the popular items in their range and offer these competitively priced to the aftermarket. And with all our other CSCs, these are designed and tested against the OE specifications. So, I hope you now feel you understand a little bit more about what goes into a RYMEC CSC program and why you can be confident in recommending it to your customers. Thanks for listening.